go over to a browser and then type in ttfmaker.com. Now, after typing ttfmaker.com, you can go ahead and type in the test that you want. I just did this morning. That's the reason why it's displaying that way. So once you're done, also guys, do not forget to add either full stop or comma while you're typing, so that it's going to make the AI to be more accurate. So make sure you actually know the proper words to add. Then once you're done, just scroll down a little bit, and you are going to notice there is even more information right here. You can read everything. So now the default language right now is English. You can actually change that by clicking on the drop down. You will see all of the available languages. But then if you type in English, it's going to display in English. So you need to actually type in English, translate it with a different AI tool, then you come back and use it. So this is actually the example of your image. So you can actually click on this to test out your voices. So you can either choose this voice or you choose this voice. Now, if you're done, you can just click on play the example, or if you are actually confident, you can just come here and convert the speech. But if not, playing the example is actually better.
ttfmaker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis.
ttfmaker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides
ttfmaker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
ttfmaker is a free text-to-speach tool that provides speech synthesis services.
So once you're sure about the one you want to use, click on it, and then you scroll down a little bit further. Hope I did not deselect the person I chose. Yeah, it's still correct. So scroll down a little bit further. You notice this code, you actually have to input it here. That is actually a security code so that people will not abuse the system, or hackers will not make changes to the website. So just go ahead and click on convert. I actually like the fact there is a security there, because AI bots can actually crawl the website for information. So you click on convert, it converts your image. Now this is our converted image. If you finish converting, it automatically start playing. So I'm going to click on play.
Today's video, I'm Trust, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. I will show you how to make an AI talk and all the tools you need.
All right, you see how it played perfectly well. Now the next thing you need to do is to click on download, and it started downloading. You can see right there it just finished downloading. And what is the download name? Blah blah. Okay, I think it's some digit 8439. But then I can now use this on my video editing tool. If it doesn't show, you can always convert it. So I'm just going to click on a new project and then go to photos and then choose a random picture of my gallery and add it. Now the next, I am going to add the audio. I am going to click on sound, and I'm going to go to my device, and I do not actually know the name of the image that was saved. So I am going to display my notification so that I can see. I think it's ttfmaker, right? So I'm going to type in TTS. So this is actually the ttfmaker, and I think it's actually this one, right? I'm not very sure. Let's play it. Okay, it should be this one because this is longer.
Welcome to today's video. I'm Trust, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. I will show you how to make an AI talk.
Thinking is this. So I just click on add, and you can see the audio added there. So now all I need to do is to click and scroll this image to the ending of the voice note, and then you leave it there. So you can now play the voice note to see that it works.
Welcome to today's video. I'm Trust, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. I will show you how to.
And also, guys, you notice I delayed the AI or the voice actually delayed too much to talk. You can also edit that audio area by clicking on split, and then I'm going to go to where the voice started, I think around here. If you are not very sure, you can always play the audio, but I'm very sure. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to add it together. So it will not take too much time while talking, because I think it delayed too much. Now watch.
Trust, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. I will show you how to make an AI talk.
I think that is actually better than the previous one. So if you're ready to export your image, you can click here to export your image. And then the final one, guys, I am going to show you guys on the PC how to do it. So guys, with all this, I think you can actually generate or create your text to audio image. But let's go to the PC and you can also see how the PC works.